Transaction banking, May 2021. Let's look at some of the classic case studies, how the regional institutions have ventured into transaction banking. Mashreq is a classic example, Emirates NBD, and how the volume growth in major transaction banking products, how the application programming interface, that is role of APIs in transaction banking, we need to know. How can corporate transform transaction banking? It's a very interesting, exciting space. Mashreq is going to implement Oracle Transaction Banking Platform with solutions for digital banking, payments, trade finance, liquidity management, and virtual accounts. So all these areas, digital banking, payments, trade finance, liquidity management, and virtual accounts. For Mashreq corporate customers, Oracle banking platforms will help deliver a more powerful digital experience, a future-proof payments, enhanced clarity around working capital, as well as digitized trade process. Now, Emirates NBD is another example, has unveiled the next generation global corporate banking platform, Business Online. Last year, November, they did it. Omni-channel platforms delivers a full suite of cash management, trade finance, and liquidity management solutions to the bank's clients, ranging from SME to large corporations and government institutions. Business Online has been built to simplify the working capital management, streamline complex operations, and offers business fully visible across financial relationships, accounts, and the related activities, delivering a single view across all their markets. It's a very comprehensive the summary of the transactions. Among its key features is a wide dashboard that provides contextual and relevant information to corporate treasurers, including a net position, account summary, forex position, facility utilization, exchanges, and interest rate. That will give you a currency position, gap position, and again net open positions, forex positions, facility utilization, exchanges, and interest rates. The Central Bank of the UAE has announced it has been working with SWIFT on an initiative to further enhance the speed and transparency of cross-border payments. Central Bank of UAE says it will be the first central bank globally to implement such an initiative, that is transparency across cross-border movement. That's very useful to universal compliance model for AML and CFT. The implementation of this project will improve the experience of financial institutions and their customers to send payments to the UAE from across the globe. That is, again, it will also streamline the flow of transactions, cash management, liquidity management and deposits, payments to corporate payments for corporates, again, credit cards, merchant services, trade finance, documentary business, import, export finance, supply chain finance. All are integral part of it. Cash management, we mean liquidity management and deposits. Payment systems are very important in today's context. Merchant services is going to be so huge with digital, and again, everything is through e-channels. Now, cashless society is evolving. Trade finance, documentary business, import, export finance, supply chain finance. API plays a role. B2B API platforms help the banks to make service available to the clients and partners as discrete operations. So transaction banking services are available now. A leading Indian bank integrated its B2B payments with API with an online delivery startup, enabling real-time settlements and instant salary payments. Indian bank integrated B2B payments APIs with an online delivery startup. With startup, you collaborate, real-time settlement, instant salary payments. Similarly, many companies are leveraging on cash management APIs to automate invoice reconciliation workflows in the ERP systems, to expand trade finance APIs as a part of their digital innovations. So APIs are the tools. When it comes to corporates, how they can utilize it, innovation, open B2B APIs. In a recent survey of banking executives, many of them are investing in B2B API solutions. There is a clear business case for B2B APIs in the areas of management payments, invoice reconciliations, working capital financing, the platform being rolled out globally by regulators, and for example, unified payment systems in India are enabling banks to further leveraging on API platforms. Innovation 2, building smart onboarding by segments. Banks should look at developing a solution for self-service onboarding for SME in partnership with local Chamber of Commerce and registration, along with the global authentic solutions, state-of-the-art authentic solutions. Innovation 3, drive your digital SME bank. That's a major area again. SME sector is important business segments for corporate banks, with 80 to 85% of the clients falling within this segment for commercial banks. Financial institutions should strongly consider offering a digital SME, whereby onboarding, account services, salary processing, payment, and certain basic trade services are offered through a digital platform, well supported by virtual RMs and support. Now, innovation 4, digital innovation is expanding now. Digitized through blockchain and smart contracts, trade finance business being disrupted, blockchain and distributed ledgers are here to stay. Documentation, secure delivery, and contracting were material points in the industry which are resolved through a consortium-based approach. Invest carefully. Adoption needs to be measured to avoid the pitfall of investing in technology without measurable returns. Again, partner with cloud-based SCF platform with ecosystems. Partnering with the SCF platform within an ecosystem could be very rewarding for corporate banks, as it brings in digitally originated and highly scalable business products such as distributed financing, buyer financing, or low risk, high income products. There are multiple platforms available from suppliers such as Codex, HPD Landscape, Neurosoft, Premium Technology, Aranova, and Demica, to name select a few. Banks also have the option to put this solution on cloud or on premise. So all these are very important tools. This is a very good development, partnering with cloud based on SCF platform, the ecosystems. That's going to be the major transformation. The platforms are there to augment more collaborations and then inserting customer bank relationship to a new level and ensuring there is multilateral relationship coming across through this platform. That's going to be a major money spinner for the financial institutions.